Let us study chemistry together with CBSE Chemistry tips and tricks.
Express the following in the scientific notation. First question is what? 0.0048. Before doing this, you must know what is scientific notation. Scientific notation is a way to express very large or very small numbers in a concise way and standardized form using powers of 10. So this is the format. Capital N into 10 raised to n. And at n, okay, this capital N must be a number between 1 and 10. I will explain in detail with an example, okay. Now you just read this paragraph. Capital N must be a number between 1 and 10. And this small n, okay, it must be an integer, positive or negative. For understanding, we can do the first question. Then you will get a good idea. First question is 0.0048. Okay. See, our task is to bring the decimal point after the first non-zero number. For that purpose, see, decimal is here now, right? 1, 2, 3. We have to shift this decimal point 3 positions, correct? So what we have to do for that? Multiply by 1000. Now when you multiply by 1000, definitely you have to divide also, right? Correct? So what you will get? You will get 4.8 by 1000, correct? So you can write like what? 4.8 by 10 raised to 3. Now take it to the numerator. 4.8 into 10 raised to minus 3. Hope all of you understand. This is how you can find scientific notation, and this is the answer for the first question. Now you can see we represent the number in n into 10 raised to n format, right? N here what? 4.8, which is in between 1 and 10. And into 10 raised to n, 10 raised to minus 3. Hope you understand. Now we can do question number 2, that is 234,000, correct? So for easiness, for understanding, I am writing like this, okay? 234,000.0, just for your understanding. Okay, now for representing it in scientific notation, we have to bring this decimal just after the first non-zero number, means just after 2 or in between 2 and 3. Okay, so how many positions? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we have to shift this decimal point 5 position left. Okay, right? For that purpose, what we have to do? Divide the number with 10 raised to 5. Okay, when you are dividing a number with 10 raised to 5, you have to multiply also, right? Okay, so by using this 10 raised to 5, we shift the position 2.34000 into 10 raised to 5. So what we can write? 2.34 into 10 raised to 5. Hope you understand. Next is 8008. Correct? So for easiness, write like this. Now our aim is to shift this point to this position, right? Just after the first non-zero number. So 1, 2, 3. 3 positions left, right? So divide by 10 raised to 3 means 1000. So if you are dividing, multiply the same number in the numerator. So by using this 10 raised to 3, what you will get? 8.0080 into 10 raised to 3. So what you can write? 8.008 into 10 raised to 3. Hope all of you understand. Very easy, right? Next is 500.0. So what is our task? To shift this decimal 2 positions left. If you are shifting decimal to left, always divide, okay? Divide with what? 100. So if you are dividing with 100, multiply also with 100. So by using the 10 raised to 2 in denominator, we can shift the decimal 2 position left. So it becomes 5.00 into 10 raised to 2. So you can write like 5.0 into 10 raised to 2. That is your answer. Next is 6.0012. Correct? See, you remember what was scientific notation? It was you have to represent a number in n into 10 raised to small n. And what about capital N? It must be a number between 1 and 10. And if you check here, you can see 6.0012 is already in between 1 and 10. Now you have the problem of power, right? So you can just write 10 raised to 0. And you know 10 raised to 0 is 1. Multiplying a number with 1 doesn't make a change, right? So it is actually already in scientific notation. The only task is just provide the power of 10. Okay, that is 10 raised to 0, which means 1. Hope all of you understand.